AI search is getting huge, but is your website ready for it? Today we're going to find out. More people are using AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity, and even Google is showing AI overviews. If your business wants to stay visible, traditional SEO is no longer enough. You want your content to appear in AI citations. That's when AI tools reference your website as a source. So even when people search through AI, they can still end up on your site. But how do you know if your content is optimized for AI? And if it isn't, how do you fix it? Let's break it down. One of the easiest ways is to go directly to AI tools. Paste your content into ChatGPT, ask it to summarize the page, highlight key points, and evaluate credibility. If the summary is accurate, great. If the AI misunderstands your content or doubts your authority, that's a sign you need improvements. Now, let's go through 5 pro tips to make your content AI ready. First, create genuinely valuable content. Answer real search intent. AI tools cite content that gives people real value. Make it helpful, clear, and actionable. Second, structure your content properly. No one likes a giant wall of text, and AI doesn't like citing it either. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, bullet points, and visuals. Make your content easy to read and easy to summarize. Third, keep your content fresh. AI tools prefer up-to-date information. A blog from 6 years ago won't compete. Update your pages regularly to stay relevant. Fourth, use schema markup. It helps AI understand your content better. Add schema for videos, products, how-to pages, events, or reviews, whatever fits your site. And finally, show real expertise. AI cites content that demonstrates experience, expertise, authority, and trust. Use testimonials, case studies, author bios, and expert quotes, and keep everything updated. That's your guide to making your website AI ready. There's much more to learn about AI search, so explore the other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.